Hey guys, welcome back to Sophie and Haley. There's Chance barking at people. We are in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru line.
Aren't we every day?
Chance!
Hey, get down. Hey. Hey. Chance. Shut up.
But we have to go. I want to go to the library. There was dog hair all over me. But I want to go to the library. And we got to go. And Mimi wants to go to Tractor Supply to get something for the boys' cage because they keep getting out of it.
Well, she said Home Depot.
She told me Tractor Supply this morning. Right?
Get down. Chance.
Well, Tractor Supply or Home Depot. And we had to go drop my dad off to get his truck, so that's why we're in the car and getting lunch now.
We weren't going to get lunch.
But
You're on
we are.
my leg. Please get down.
Haley, hush, I'm trying to film. But it is, oh, by the way, it's Monday, the 28th. And so it's almost July. Saturday is the 3rd of July, but that's when we'll do all the fireworks and stuff. So I'll probably film then. I don't know if we're going to or we had it ordered, but
What'd you say?
talking. But we'll probably film Saturday, whatever we're going to do. Megan has to work on the actual 4th of July, but she's off Saturday, which is good because that's when we'll do the actual stuff. And oh, so sleepy. But that we could vlog today. Oh my goodness, he just fell off the window.
He was nowhere near the window. He fell on my
And
leg.
so I might vlog when we eat, I might not, who knows. It just depends. But I will definitely vlog later, so I'll see you then. Hey guys, oh my goodness. I put my hair up to put a hat on and I forgot to get a hat. Anyway, we're heading to the library now. We got all the books piled that we got last time. We're taking these back and going to get some more. And Megan wants to go to this place that has a bunch of different stores. So we're gonna go there and go to a couple of different stores. Is my mask up there?
You use this one, so if you want to use this.
I didn't use that one. That was yours.
I know, but you used it when you went to Dollar General when we were going to buy
There it is. So we're heading to the library, and I'll show you what books I get when I get there. so I thought I could vlog for you guys. You know what? I think I might. So, we did a couple fun things Monday, I think it was. Today's Wednesday. So, I'll probably put that in the beginning of this video. So, if you've already seen it, but, well, today is another fun day. So, I got to clean my room before the fun can happen. My best friend is coming to have a sleepover tonight. I haven't had a sleepover in a year and a half, almost 2 years, so excited for her to come over and spend the night, but gotta get this room clean first, and I gotta clean the room I sleep in. Gotta clean that up. So I thought I could film today. Whatever we're going to do, I'm pretty sure it's just going to be a day full of cleaning. I'm just going to show you the before so I can show you the after. The before, walking around, it's definitely dirty over here, definitely needs to clean. Not too bad. It's not too bad, but still needs to be cleaned. I'm gonna start on that, and I'll update you guys. Probably I'm gonna start on this side of the room, and I'll update you when I get to this side of the room. So I'm gonna go find me some videos to watch or a podcast or something, and I'll see you when I get an update. I've been cleaning for about 15 minutes or so now. And I thought I could give you an update, sort of. I mean, the room wasn't really that messy to begin with, but still had to be cleaned. So does the other room, the other room. But let me do this right quick. So don't let, might have been too much. Just there, okay. So I'm gonna show you the update. And then I'll finish cleaning and show you the aftermath, and then go show you the before stuff of the other room. So this is cleaned up. Still haven't done the dresser or over there, but cleaned up all the clothes off the bed. Yes, haven't done this or this, but I did this. That has to go in the under. This is a trash bag. There's my purse. I haven't done the top of my dresser. But you can see the floor. I mean, not that you couldn't see the floor before, but whatever. I need to finish up and show you the end result. Sorry. So that I can get started on the other one. Here's everything. Over here, the bed, over here, my dresser. That's just a trash bag that I'm going to take in the other room. All this is all done. So let's go to the before of the other room. Now this one's pretty messy. I don't think I'm going to make the bed. I think I'm just gonna clean it up. So I have a lot still cleaning to do. So I'm gonna start, and I'll update you when I get some progress done. So I did finish the room, but then it got messy again because Haley and Megan had a little sleepover in here since I was having a sleepover. And messed it all up again, so now it's messy, so I'm not gonna even try to show you because it's so messy. But I hope you enjoyed this short little weird video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, And we'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.